Hello, my name is Kenzie, and I will do some observation on my neighborhood because it's Lebaran's Day, and I will tell you what's special in my neighborhood. So the first thing, there's not much change in my neighborhood. Yeah, there's nothing change. Maybe we should go to the mosque. Okay, let's see. Yeah, there's no people in the mosque. So yeah, there's nothing really change in my neighborhood. So that's all I can say about my neighborhood in Lebaran State. Thank you.